What is going on, street shooters? I got a very short video for y'all today. It's about time I update something on my Hellcat, something I did last summer. As you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, I'm gonna be switching out my Hellcat badge, that one right there, for a whole different one. I'm taking that one off and putting a new one on, and I'm about to show y'all. So as you can see right here, I got the 2018 Dodge Challenger, Charger, Durango, even 300 badge. And this one is a little bit smaller than the one I put on, but I'm still gonna put this one on because I feel like it's gonna make it look a lot cleaner, opposed to the all white badge that I got right there. The all white badge, it didn't look bad, but I feel like this is gonna make it look way better. As a matter of fact, here, I'll even compare. Y'all like my table, don't y'all? So, you know what I'm saying? You see how small it is compared to that one, but it's gonna look a lot cleaner. So look. You know what I'm talking about? See, when you're an artist and a visionary like me, things like this is an everyday thing for me. Everyday thing for me. I always vision something first. I envision how it looks first, and then I pull the trigger on it. I don't never like, oh, this might look cool. No. I know it's gonna look alright. Before I do anything or try to do any type of removal of badging, the first thing I need to find is my damn heat gun. The problem is, as you can see, my garage is a mess. Oh, I found it. Silly Rio. So I got my handy dandy heat gun. Plug this up, and we about to get to heating that thing up and removing it. I gotta heat this damn badge up and pull it off, and hopefully most of the adhesive comes off with it. So hey, clean removal. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. I promise you on everything I love, this is the first time I've ever removed the badge and it came off that clean. Even with the regular Hemi badge on my RT, it never came off that clean. I promise you, on everything I love. Damn, it made it so much easier now. Look at this. Look, I mean, granted, I still gotta clean a lot of that stuff, but like, I can literally just put the badge right over it. Like, that's a clean removal. All right, so now this badge right here, it is secured on the back with 3M double-sided tape. You heat it up, get that adhesive on the back, super hot. Not super hot to where you're gonna melt the badge, but just hot enough to where it gets super sticky. So I'm gonna use my heat gun, and if you are doing this, level 1, I don't know if y'all can see it, but level 1. Don't put level 2, because you're going to melt your damn hand and you're going to melt the badge. Now, you're going to sit there and look stupid. So, take this. And I moved it around. Quite a bit. But your time is kind of limited when it comes to putting this on, because it starts to harden up a little bit, or cool down. All right, so let's see. That's golden right there. That's golden right there, chat. Let me show y'all. Sheesh! I shouldn't say that's golden. That's silver right there, baby. That's chrome plating right there, baby. Look at that. Now, all I need is a red eye hood. I'm always going to think this is a 2020. You know, okay, let's see. What y'all think, man? I know the white pop out like crazy, but I'm not gonna lie. I'm real happy with this updated badge. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Damn, I like that. Hold on. Let's see. It's my little daughter. My stupid ass. Okay, let me see. I'm typing in side profile and shit. Look, let's compare. Let's compare. Look, 2018 badge. I'm trying to see if I can find one like kind of up close. Look, we're gonna visit this. We're gonna visit this right here. So look, let's see. Okay. Okay, the badge don't look too far up. I mean, it look kind of far up, but it don't look too far up. You know what I mean? Like, whatever. Okay. Let's see street shooters. Clean sweep. Clean sweep. Clean sweep. Clean sweep. No adhesive on there. Clean sweep. Let's go. 2 for 2, baby. Come on, don't be like that. Don't be like that. Oh, yeah. Then that's, hey, clean sweep. Clean sweep. It's 2 for 2. Ballin'. All right, let me grab my other one. Heat gun again. Wait, I'm over here skipping steps and stuff. So, yep. Anybody who wants to do this, like, I know it's a million videos on here on how to do it, but there's been a couple times where I followed somebody else's directions and it didn't work for me. It did not work for me. Badge started falling off like the next day and shit. Like, and I followed directions clearly. Actually, I'm too good at following directions. But heat gun, backside of the badge once again. Level 1. Remember level 1 because you don't want to melt the badge. Woo, get hot. Don't be afraid. Be afraid. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, baby. Here we go, chat. Once again. Let me double check something really quick. I want to make sure. I got like kind of OCD. Yeah, I got OCD like crazy. I just don't want this badge to be too high. You know what I mean? Know what I mean, Jelly Bean? Damn! Oh, I like that. I like that. I like that. Me like that. Okay. All right. Now I'm gonna clean this up this time. Oh my goodness. I think it's gonna look better. Hold on. Now, Chad, I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with these damn badges right here, because I don't believe in wasting stuff. Like, things are too expensive nowadays in 2026. So I might end up painting my toolbox. The similar color, like a baby blue, like kind of like the same color as my Ranger, because I still got some of that paint left over too. Or I might be on some real slick stuff and get the B5 paint and the rattle can, throw that on there, put these on here, pull up to the meet. I got the tools. I barely fix anything, but hey, I got the tools. Toolbox matched the Hellcat. I ain't seen nobody else do that before. But anyways, I told you this was gonna be a real short video. Y'all seeing how I put the badges on. Hopefully when you get your Hellcat, or if you get your Hellcat, you just follow this video, and hopefully Uncle Rio leads you into the right direction. But if you enjoyed the install process, please hit me with a like, drop a comment, let me know what y'all think about the damn badges, and subscribe if you ain't subscribing. I got a lot of subscribers, but y'all ain't watching my videos, and it's kind of pissing me off. So without further ado, thank you for watching this video, and I will see y'all in the next one.